Going on YouTube, Sammy here with another video. Just going to show you guys how I'm going to install this boost gauge in this truck. This right here has this little thing here. So this separates. See if I can grab a hold of it. So this separates, and you can just push that in. I'm not sure what these wires are for, but I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to push that in, and then I'll show you what I'm doing to this over here. So I took that plastic piece and I got the boost gauge fitted on there. Had to just cut it with the die grinder, with this right here. Just go nice and slow and get it fit, get it to where it fits in there. So I did that, and then just working out the 12 volts for the light, and where I'm going to hook up the vacuum. So I'm about to install it. I just wanted to show you guys that, and then I'm going to show you where I'm going to hook up the vacuum on the 2016. So right here we have this one right here. I think they actually gave us a little spot to hook up the boost gauge. So right here, this little nipple, I'm going to take that vacuum cap off, and I'm going to hook up right there. I might have to hook up a little piece of vacuum line and then put my my plastic hose to connect right there, going through the firewall. So should be going right through there, if you can see it, right through there. Yep. But we get installing that, and let's see how this all turns out. All right, YouTube, back again here. I hooked up my new vacuum line here for this boost gauge. Just coming through. I had to put a T here because it drops down for the plastic hose, and then it goes through the firewall right there. There it goes right there, installed. Turn it on, and it goes into vacuum. Just give it a little gas, see if it'll go into boost. Probably not. No. I've seen 12 pounds driving around. 12, 13 pounds. So truck's all stock. So I just wanted to share that, show how it came out. Thank you very much for watching.